Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel once again. I hope you are having an amazing day. So today is another weekend but I am not riding because आगे एक 2-day ride आने वाला है, तो I'm prepping the bike for that. And today we are going to install the HyperRider.in top rack on the Bajaj Dominar 400. Now why I chose HyperRider.in's top rack over other top racks, it's because it can hold a load up to around 80 kgs and it looks well and it's sturdy and it's very strong. It's almost compatible with all the international top boxes that are available on the market, starting from studs to even SHAD. So that's the reason why I took the top rack from HyperRider.in. Now how to get from HyperRider.in? You can contact them through the Instagram page that they have, and you can get in touch with the owner directly, and you can pay the money to them, to their bank accounts, and he's going to ship it the very next day and it's going to reach you very easily. So that's how you can order it for yourself. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and unbox it and install it on the bike and see how it looks. Let's go. So as you guys can see that this is the top rack from HyperRider.in that we are going to install on the Bajaj Dominar 400. Now I'll keep this poly cover on it while installing so that it does not scratch any other part of the bike, and after installing we'll be removing it. So let's go ahead and install this on the bike and let's see how it looks.
Stand defeated for you, with empty thoughts, a blackened heart is here for you to end it all. Why do we quit when it gets rough? Why do we lie to those we love? Why do we quit?
That was how the installation of the HyperRider.in top rack was done on the Dominar 400, and believe me guys, the bike looks damn sexy, and this thing over here is very strong. Like, it can take a load up to 80 kgs as claimed by the company, but that much load we won't give. We would certainly give a little load below that level. So it's really strong and the finishing is very nice, as you could see, and the installation was damn easy because I did it myself alone with a few bolts and with a few tools given by Bajaj and some from the toolkit that I got recently. So it's very easy to install and it's very purposeful. Anyone who's wanting to take the HyperRider.in top rack can bring it blindly and install it on your bike. It's that good. Thank you for taking out time to watch this video, and I hope आपको ये video पसंद आया होगा. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Biker Imperfect, because we are riding to beautiful places real soon. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. Till then, ride safe, ride with gears, live your dreams.